What's going on, everyone? Kevin here with Bullish Bears. Now, are you having trouble finding confirmations, finding reasons to enter, or you're chasing your trades, or you're not sure how to add to your winners, or how to have proper risk management? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over a live trade review that I took with the community this past Friday on the Nasdaq. This started out as a 4-to-1 risk to reward trade, but after I saw some confirmation, I was able to move my stop loss up, and create a higher probability and higher risk reward on this trade. So let's take a closer look. I go over why I added, where I added, why I got into the trade, and where I got out of the trade. So let's get into it. So it looks like 17,875 is a strong level. So I might look to enter around 1875. Alright, so there's that demand zone. I'm going to throw out some buy or... Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm starting my long position right there, guys. Fair value gap, I'm in it. 2 NQ contracts. Let's trap some shorts. Where's the weighted indice? I'm going to add there. Just one contract. So now I'm in 3 NQ longs right now. Added right here. It moved my stop loss up a little bit. And on the 15 minute, guys, look at that 15. That looks clean. Really want to see us above that level right there. There we go. Come on, buyers. Goodness. Oh, man. Alright, I gotta get out of 1 right there. I'm out of 1 contract, guys. I'm holding 2 right now. This has been amazing. Wow, what a trade. Holy cow. Holy cow. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Run it up. Damn. What a Friday, guys. Like, if we create this fair value gap right here on the 5 minute, like right there, guess what? I'm just going to get long off of it. Create another long position, right? Let's go. Boom. Bop. Bam. 4-to-1. But I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient. I ain't going to be crazy like that. 10 seconds left in this 5 minute. Yo, Microsoft at, what is that, 417? That's crazy. I feel like I'm looking at SPY price.
Good morning, everyone.
Yo, good morning, Ricardo. What is up? At what level did you enter? Jose, I got in at, and you could check the stream too. I got in down here. Once we broke the sell side liquidity, I got in the fair value gap down here. 2 NQ contracts at 17,876, and then I added up here on this 5 minute candle, and then I just scaled it out of 1 contract up here, still holding 2 contracts. Boom, look at that fair value gap holding for the longs to continue, guys. I did not add to my contracts. I am still in these though. Still in 2 contracts. Oh man. Blow right through that. AMD's still pushing. Nvidia's still pushing. Getting some pullback. Not a fan of that. Come on, buyers. Take it. Take it, take it. Come on, tech. Come on, tech. Run that tech. Yes, sir. Let's go. Holy cow. I'm going to look to scale out of 1 contract. Give me 1 more push. 1 more push. Alright, out of 1 more contract right there. I'm going to get out my full contract there. I only got 1 contract left. So yeah, really great stuff. I mean, we told the community to watch for the weighted indice because we were opening above supply to come down, use the supply as demand and push higher. It's exactly what we got. We got the push below the sell side liquidity on the Nasdaq along with this fair value gap holding. That was another confirmation. Fair value gap is 1 confirmation. Sell side liquidity, 2 confirmations. That right there I would have took, right? We had a 15-minute supply demand zone, but it was super small. I said there's liquidity still sitting there. We're probably going to take that out. It's another confirmation. 3 confirmations. Weighted indice coming down to a supply zone that it gapped over to use it as demand. 3rd confirmation. 4th confirmation, I should say. And weighted indices is not something on the Nasdaq. That is something that me and other traders use, but is not that commonly known, right? But again, it's a great form of confirmation. It weighs Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Google. These are top stocks in Nasdaq, top stocks in the ES as well, but not as heavily weighted,